welcome back to Puffer Belly's Toys and Books in downtown Stanton, Virginia. Erin S. is here to tell us about our brand new Dragon's Land Playmobil.
Yes, this is brand new from Playmobil. We have a new castle and a new tower. You have the red dragon versus the green dragon, but the green people are going to win, we think, because they have a wizard and they have a ranger and they have this awesome rotating crossbow. But there are lots of special effects with this. We have fire-breathing dragons, lots of LED lights on this one, and also lots of
I love this part.
Drawbridges and
out.
dungeons and all sorts of things. They're breakaway pieces too. And then there's a large dragon that's available that breathes fire, as well as 2 catapults and a knight with a LED lance. So there are all sorts of different ways to play with this and have fun with it. And keep your eyes peeled for when the set is sitting out on the table at Puffer Belly's.
It will be very exciting.
But we have all the pieces available for sale right now, and we hope to see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.